Introducing the all-new ET PC Desktop Workstation. Whether you're an architect, a video editor, a mechanical design engineer, or a driven professional, we've got you covered. Our custom-built PCs are optimized for precision 3D design, office productivity, detailed engineering, and pro editing. Designed for space-saving efficiency with real-time performance feedback and the highest quality components. Experience fast rendering and efficiency validated by top benchmark scores. Because your clients don't wait. The ET PC Desktop Workstation transforms your daily tasks into seamless achievements, making work faster, easier, and better. Built for high-level performance and validated by NVIDIA Studio PC. ET.